Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to delete notes from Instagram Reels and post. First, tap on the Instagram app icon on your home screen. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner to view your post and Reels. For Reels, tap the Reels icon located below the Edit Profile option. Select the Reels you want to edit and tap the three-dot icon located at the right corner. Choose the Manage option and then select Edit to make changes to your content. Tap and hold to select the note text. Then hit the cross button on your keyboard to delete. This instantly removes the note from your caption. Once you have deleted the note, simply hit the tick mark at the top right corner. So this is how to delete notes from Instagram Reels and post. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful.